Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to modify and customize theme in Microsoft PowerPoint. Perfect for enhancing your presentation, look and align it with your personal or brand style. So let's get started. First, you have to select the presentation. Now you have to go on Design tab. Here you will see the collection of pre-designed themes. However, each one to see a live preview and click on the theme you would like to use. Second step is to customize theme colors, fonts, and effect. On the top right side, you will see the variant option. Click the drop down arrow and you will see several options. First is colors. Choose the present color scheme or you can customize color to create your own palette. Second is fonts. Select a font pair or create a new one using customized fonts or define your heading and body text. Third is effects. This adjusts things like shadow, reflection, and object styling across your whole slide. This customization apply instantly and they will give your slide a branded look. That's it. That's how you modify a PowerPoint theme professionally and efficiently. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.